Good morning. I just wanted to come on and share with you this cozy little coffee corner I made in my bedroom, so I don't have to go all the way to the kitchen in the morning to get my nice warm cup of coffee that I look so forward to. So I want to share with you all the things that I got for it. The little table and 2 chairs are amazing. They fold up and I can put them away really quickly. I love that. Let's see. Little toaster so I can have my morning toast. Oh, and also this corner stand is just amazing. It was easy to put together and I just love it because I can put everything on it that I need and want, and I just really enjoy that. And here we have a little refrigerator that I keep my cream in. Yes, and that is wonderful. I have a to-go bottle. And I also got the wallpaper from Amazon. It's peel and stick. It was super easy. The curtains. You can find them on my page. They're so cute. They're velvet and they were easy to install. And they look a little dressier than the ones with the hips. I don't like those ones. And I love this little detail of a tie back. And there you have it.